Joined by manager Tyler Larson, back for another year with the River Rats. This is year 2 for this organization, and you're back again for a second year as the skipper. Really gives you a chance to build on some things you guys did last year.
Yeah, we took kind of what we learned last year, and we brought the guys back who we felt, would help us succeed. And we went after guys that would help us, be better in the league. We saw, the competition that we faced, and we wanted to be better than that. So what we did was try to combine and be better than we were last year.
You've got a lot of bright spots on this roster, a few returning players. You've also got the Big Ten Freshman of the Year in Kevin Plawecki. Some big boppers in this lineup.
Yeah, we're going to lead things off with Mitch from, Ball State, and Ethan Wilson, a great adder. He's going to be our two-hole. And then, we go 3, 4, 5, 6 with guys who had tremendous years. And they all hit for power. They can run out of the park at any point in time. And, Kevin and Casey, they hit for great averages too. Almost 1 through 9, we're a very, very solid offensive club.
Talk about the pitching rotation. That is such a key to winning ball games, and you've got some guys back from last season.
Yeah, and it is. You and I both know it. You got to be good on the bump to win games, and we're going to go with a 6-man rotation. Our 1 and 2 are future draft guys. Geisels is already a top 10 guy, possibly. We may lose him. But then we go 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll put any of those guys out there, and we have a chance to win. Once we get out of those guys, we have 7, 8, 9. Okay, and we're going to go with BJ Painter, who obviously had a great year last year, and Collins from Purdue, who we're going to look to be our closer. And I feel very solid. If we're in a tight game, we'll come out with the win. So.
What are your hopes for this year? Last year, a couple games under 500, and really showed some signs, but really building consistency was part of the problem last year, getting that record above 500.
I think ultimately you have to have short and long-term goals. So our short goal obviously is to be, to win more consistently, win our home games, and win the tight games that we didn't win last year. And that being said, you win those games, all of a sudden now you're over 500, okay? And then the long-term goal, obviously, is to win the league, win our division, and make a name for ourselves.
And there are more teams in the league this year, so a lot more clubs to get familiar with.
Yeah, we added 3 teams, which is good for the league. It's good for players. You add more players in the league, and scouts see that. It gets these guys more exposure. And overall, that's the main thing, just trying to get these guys to the next level. And
talk about this fan support in Richmond. Last year, there were some games where this place was full, and it was exciting to play ball here.
Yeah, it used to be a Frontier League park, so fans interact with the college guys, I think, much better than the pro guys. They just, for some reason, they relate better, And we're hoping on Friday to have about 3,000 fans support us, and, they gave us great support all last year, even when we were down, and we look for the same thing this year.
Well, good luck to you this season. Second year with the River Rats. Manager Tyler Larson.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck.